In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Miro with Jira. We'll walk through where to find the integration inside Miro, how to get to the marketplace, and what to expect when you're ready to turn it on. Start by opening your browser and heading to your Miro dashboard. Make sure you're signed into the correct workspace so the apps and permissions you see match the team you're working with. It helps to have a board ready because the integration options live inside a board rather than on the dashboard. Next, click into one of your boards. If you're following along, any board you can edit will do. Once you're in, look to the left-hand toolbar. Open the Tools menu, then go to Media and Integrations. This is the panel where Miro keeps content sources and connected apps, so it's the right place to start when you want to bring external tools into your whiteboard workflow. From there, choose Explore Apps on Marketplace. That takes you to the Miro Marketplace where you can browse or search for integrations. To find Jira quickly, use the search bar and type Jira. You'll see Jira options appear. Click the Jira listing you want to integrate. Pick the option that matches your organization's setup so you get the correct connector for your environment. On the app page, take a moment to review what it does. The Jira integration typically lets you bring issues into Miro as cards, visualize and organize them on your board, and keep key fields in sync so your visual planning stays aligned with your issue tracker. You'll also see details about access, scopes, and how the app interacts with your workspace. When you're ready to proceed, you'll notice that enabling this integration requires a paid plan. Click Upgrade to continue. Miro will guide you through selecting a plan for your team or workspace. If you don't have billing access, you may need someone with the right permissions to complete the upgrade. It's also common for organizations to require an admin to allow marketplace apps, so if you run into a permissions prompt, check with your workspace or Jira administrator. Once your plan is active, you can return to the same marketplace page to proceed with the Jira option you selected. Keep your board open so you can quickly use the integration where you collaborate. That's the process. Open Miro, enter a board, navigate to Tools, Media and Integrations, explore the marketplace, pick the Jira app that fits your setup, and if prompted, upgrade to a paid plan to enable it.